Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I hope you are doing great well. Today I'm talking about how you can practice without any strangers and the partners. So let me tell you what. Firstly, there is no need to like any strangers and any friends. Just to focus on the ourself and to practice on the ourself. It is the good for the our English communication and it is also help to the our fluency and along with your confidence day by day. So let me tell you what I will break down step by step. So first thing is the small habit. Firstly, you just see yourself like you are living one room and you have a closed laptop and copy and the something. Just you can describe in the own word. This is the closed. I will be here and after that I will go to the market or the college. This is the laptop. I will working on my project and it is the help to the our English fluency. Just you can describe and along with for example you went to the terrace and after that you describe I'm going to the terrace and you can see on the sky. This is the sky and it is the very cloudy. The weather is so pleasant and in morning times it's sometimes scorching but right now it's likely to rain. Just you can describe in the own word without any thinking. I have no any stranger. Just you can describe whatever you are seeing and watching. And second thing is mirror technique practice. So firstly, you need to front of mirror practice because it is the help to the ever like expression and our fluency and along with confidence. Because when I went to the front of mirror, sometimes I am lagging because I was not able to speak a single 1 minute or the 2 minute. But right now I am able to like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and even 20 minutes without any fear, without any afraid, without any overwhelm, without any scared. Day by day, my fluency is in bid, and day by day, I am growing my English communication. So that's why just you can describe in the yourself in the front mirror. It is also very good. Even native speaker every times practicing front mirror because, for example, if you are studying in higher education and at times you need to like give presentation, so when you practice in the front mirror, it is the deplete mitigate your problem like your fear will be deplete and the mitigate day by day and you will be able to like give the presentation a huge amount of peoples because it is the help to the our like personality and our professional growth day by day. So that's why just you need to practice day by day. These are thing and second thing is record yourself. So first, I'm talking about myself. Right now, I'm recording myself in the one room, and after that, I will upload it on the YouTube because when you are recording yourself, and after that, you can evaluate yourself how much you are growing, how much you are like improving day by day. It is the also help to the our like it is help to the our communication and our fluency because if you are not recording yourself day by day then you will not able to know about yourself how much you are growing and how much you are lagging because for example I am recording and after that when I will stop the video then I will compare to my past times. Past time I am mistaking but right now I am mistaking or not in the same thing and it is the if I will mistaking then I will need to improvement again day by day video day by day. It is the help to the my communication. And fourth thing is a real time conversation of for example if you have any friend then you can describe like you can say how are you, what are you doing, what you want to feature and what and if you completed our work then I need to go outside. Just you can casual talk your friend because it is the real time conversation and it is the help to the our communication day by day. And fourth thing is in real time conversation with the role play. Yeah, role play is the very important tool for our communication. I'm talking about you can describe like the interview, shop, travel, and restaurant. For example, you went to the any restaurant, then you can describe on the like that situation. You are a that time you will make a one waiter and one like the owner. So the waiter will say what can I help you? Then you can describe, I need to some little bit hot water. And just these are concept you can describe order to like a receiving. And after that, for example, you can describe for like that the interviewer, for example, interviewer asking two question, tell me about yourself. Then you can describe, there is no need to like any one person, just you can say pros and cons. Firstly you can ask yourself, and after that you can give the answer yourself. It is the will your confidence day by day, and your problem will be deplete and mitigate day by day. And it is also day by day our confidence will be boost, and you will be able to speak any one person. And fifth thing is don't think negative thing, just you think positive thing, because sometimes you will think negative, that times will be not able to speak. Because when I was start my communication skills, like learning and practicing in initial time, it's happened it seems like you are not able to, and you will not think English, and you will not never ever learn English. But right now I am able to speak any one person, and right now I am rewarding myself without any mistake and without any scare. So that's why it is very important. Because you are doing mistake, yeah, mistake is the part of life. Just you are thinking positive. Sometimes you are lagging something and you are mistaking, but you think about your long term process. If I am mistaking, then I will practice day by day, and long time 6 months and 1 year savos you will able to speak. So that's why just you think positive and you avoid to the mistake, because mistake part of life. Without mistake you will not understanding, and you will not learn anything. So just you do mistake, yeah, you can mistake. Without mistake you will not learn, and you will not able to speak. For example, uh, when it's come to the like this city, I'm talking about myself. I didn't know how do I can uh start. But firstly I went to the like one coaching center, but I didn't know how to like practice that coaching center. And I decide there is no need to any coaching center, because coaching center is providing just 1 hour 2 hours. But if you are practice day by day entire day, do like 4 hours and fifth hour consistency way like a 6 month, then it is the enough for the English communication. Because consistency make a good perfect man. So just you can think that time, that kind of thing. And I believe to you, you will able to speak any one Fasa. And I'm talking about the one major thing. In initial time it's happen, you are not understanding English, and you are not able to like share something. But gradually you will be grab knowledge and captivating knowledge, and you will be like viable person and the programmatic person day by day. And if you have any problem, then you can resilient that times, and it is the good for your communication. And again I'm talking about one major thing. Firstly, in English is not like any skill. In English is a language just you can take casually without any thinking. It is the like very deep, very hardly, and very something. Just you can do anything, just you think positive. It is the very important. Because I'm talking about in my journey, when I think in English, just I scared I will not able to speak like any one person. But my one friend is a very good friend. That person have a lot of knowledge like English. They always used to advanced level, but at times I inspired to him. I need to implement myself. Because right now you can say, if you want to like any job, then that company will be hired to you if you have the English or knowledge. Otherwise no one company will hire to you, because every company need to the like fluency speak English. So just you focus on the yourself, and one day you will like improve English communication, and your company approach to you. So just think in English and think in the like positive. It is the very good for the everyone person. And again thing I'm talking about during the uh, English learning, to don't compare to any one person. Because it's happened in initial time when you are learning something, and someone person are the like speaking very better with very better than you can imagine. I will not able to speak the word. That person is a very good conversation, and you will compare to ourselves. And at times your confidence will be the down. So that's why you don't think the that type of thing. Just to think the positive types of thing, and it is the enough for the English communication. And so, friend, I'm talking about last thing. If you want to like honest way English improvement, just you focus on the 6 month with consistency. I am sure you will able to speak and you can do everything what you want to achieve your life. So and you will be impeccable person and you will be like do anything such that kind of person and you will be increased day by day or professionalism or personality. So thank you so much for see you soon next video. If you have any query that you can comment below in my comment and subscribe and share.